Have you ever looked at a football and noticed all those shapes, pentagons and hexagons? But how do we find the angles inside these shapes? Let's find out. A polygon is a flat shape with straight sides. A convex polygon is one where every interior angle is less than 180 degrees. No side pushes inward. Here is the key rule. From one corner we can split any polygon into triangles. A shape with n sides gives n-2 triangles. Each triangle has 180 degrees. So the sum of interior angles is n-2 times 180 degrees. Now each exterior angle and its interior angle are supplementary, they add up to 180 degrees. Example 1. Find the sum of interior angles of a regular hexagon. N equals 6, so S equals 6 minus 2 times 180. That gives us 720 degrees. Since it is regular, each interior angle is 720 divided by 6, which is 120 degrees. Each exterior angle is 180 minus 120, giving 60 degrees. Example 2. Four angles of a pentagon are 108, 115, 92, and 130 degrees. Find the missing angle. First, the sum of interior angles is 5 minus 2 times 180, which equals 540 degrees. Subtract the four known angles. The missing angle is 95 degrees. Common mistake. Many students use n times 180 instead of n-2 times 180. Always subtract 2 first. This is how examiners catch you. Remember this, subtract 2, then multiply. Interior angles sum to n-2 times 180, and all exterior angles of any convex polygon always add up to 360 degrees. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons like this. Visit ovasaabi.com and ace your exams.